Wīt Essential comes in 16% and 22% carbamide peroxide, and your kit comes with everything that you're gonna need for your patient. Let's take a look. It comes with 1 tray case, 4 syringes of whitening gel. It comes with 2 of your plastic sheets for making your patient's whitening trays. And down here we have our instructions for use and the tips to go on the syringes. All right, now we're gonna see what your before shade is. So let's see, we have this here, and then we have this one here. Let's see. To me, it looks like you are more this shade right here. Does that look good to you too?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so we're gonna say your beginning shade is an A2. My patients are super excited about starting their new whitening. They don't want to wait, and I don't want to make them wait. So we pour up their impressions in a fast set stone so that we can go ahead and make their trays for them in the office while they wait. So here we have our model all set to be made, and now we're going to go ahead and put it in our vacuum form. I like to turn the heater on and set it off to the side, let it start warming up. And now while it's warming up, I'm going to load our tray whitening material, which comes in your Wīt kit. Place it in the vacuum form. Lock it down. And now I'm going to turn my heating element around, and that will take a couple of minutes for it to warm up. I'll know that the material is warmed up enough when it starts to slump about 1 inch. All right, so let's give that a minute to go ahead and warm up before we suck it down over our model. Looks great. Looks like we have our slump in the material of about 1 inch. So now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna vacuum form it down over our model here. Let's go ahead and get the heating element out of the way. Now I'm gonna go ahead and just lower that over my model and turn on vacuum. Let's go ahead and take that out. And looks great. This is ready to go ahead and trim up, and we can go ahead and give it to our patient. All right, so we have your new whitening trays. Here they are. All right, let's go ahead and try them in. All right, let's start on the top here. I'm gonna try them in. And there's the top. Looks great, and now let's do the bottom. Perfect. Okay, does that feel comfortable?
Mm-hmm.
All right, excellent. Let's go ahead and take those out. And now I'm going to show you how to load your new whitening material. Okay, let's go ahead and grab our Wīt Essentials 22%. And what I'm going to have you do is you're going to place this material in each of the teeth, just a little bit right here on the front surface of each tooth. Notice the perfect viscosity of this material. See how it's not running or going into any of the other teeth, and it's staying right there where it's supposed to. That's going to be really important so that you don't have any sensitivity on your gum tissue. All right, let me hand you this, and then I'm going to have you try the tray yourself. All right, perfect. And take a look.
Looks good.
Awesome. Yep. See how none of it is going up on your gum tissue with that perfect viscosity, everything's staying in place.
Mm-hmm.
Excellent. And so now this material has potassium nitrate and sodium fluoride in it. And why those are important is they're going to help prevent any sensitivity while you're whitening or when you're done whitening as well. Now the Wīt 22% is one that you're going to want to wear for 1 hour per day. Sound good?
Sounds good.
All right, time to start whitening.